Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Henry and welcome back for another exciting video where we are going to be talking about night flying. My favorite time to fly an aircraft in real life. Night flying is an amazing experience. It's very often beautiful. You don't feel pressure to land before sunset. You can actually enjoy it. And of course, there's less people flying at nighttime, so usually the radio's less congested and airspace as well. So let's talk about a few things that you should know about getting into night flying. And let's start with experience. So according to Transport Canada, you can look at the cars. Right now, if you want to get your night rating, you need to have 10 hours of night flying. So 5 of that is dual, including 2 of cross-country flight time. So doing a cross-country to another airport and back. And 5 hours of that being solo time. So including 10 takeoffs, circuits, and landings. So getting some experience with approaches and whatnot. And as well as your the 10 hours of dual instrument time, which you can use 5 of that, I believe. Yeah, 5 of that 10 can be actual sim time. So you only need 5 hours of actually getting in the aircraft doing simulated instrument time. So once you get all that, you can get your night rating. And let's talk about a few things specifically with night flying. Number one, instruments really are king. So basically, as you can tell by the experience that you need to be able to rely on your artificial horizon. There are different instrument regulations that you do require for nighttime. You can look at those in the cars as well. But basically saying is that you need to be able to lose your horizon. So again, if you're flying at night, you aren't going to really have a horizon like you do during the day. So you have to be able to maintain your altitude, be disciplined, maintain your heading, things like that, without a horizon. Like, it's easy in cities, but if you're all of a sudden crossing a rural area without any buildings, you have to be able to trust your instruments, which is why instrument flying is such a large thing when it comes to night flying. Now, another thing that is related to night flying is takeoffs and landings might feel a little bit weird. It's just like when you're running at night and the street lights, they make you go faster. Your altitude sensibility as well as your sense of speed are a little bit different. So there's things like the black hole illusion, becoming disoriented, little things like that, especially on landing and takeoff, like that are really, they take a little bit of getting used to, but once you get used to them, it's a-okay. You know what to look out for. And like I said, sunsets are a huge thing. So if you're looking to take somebody for a sunset flight or a nightscape flight, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a little bit chillier, of course, at night, especially for the fall and springtime flying, but overall, yeah, it's a fantastic time. Let me know if you have any comments below. And yeah, if you do go flying, remember to bring that flashlight and remember that you have a night VFR qualified aircraft with instruments. As always, everyone, fly safe, happy landings, and see you in the next video.